Just like that, your mind will adjust. Bada bing, bada bang. Okay? Self-sabotaging. Self-sabotage comes in the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind wants something else, and the mind wants this, the subconscious wants something else. That's self-sabotaging. Now, winning with the scratch-offs in the lottery, you just said you won 10K. So the reason why this person here, let me see, you won 10K. Now I'm going to use you as an example. Sorry, this is D Marie. So D Marie, she won 10,000 twice after watching my videos within 5 months. So let me explain to you why she did this and how it works. Okay? Because what happens is when you understand that everything comes from a field. In the field, there is nothing but your imagination. And what your imagination does, when you imagine something, like for me, when I won the lottery and I did my visualization, I imagined me winning, and I did it repeatedly. So what's the science behind this is I go into the field. My imagination goes into the field. This is what literally is happening here. I'm just showing the backdrop of how it works. This is the backdrop of real stuff here. Your imagination goes into this field as information. The field is infinite. So what the field sees, it sees this person winning, this person, whatever winning. Okay, so when the field sees that, it sends that information back to the brain. Check this out. Your brain weighs 3 pounds. It's encased in darkness. It never sees the light of day. Those are facts. Your brain never sees the light of day. It never sees air. It's dark. Go back again. Field, imagination, sends information to the brain. The brain takes that information as it comes in as photons of light. The brain translates those lights into images. Okay? Bam! I repeat those images. It impresses my subconscious. It thinks it's reality. Then what happens, because there exists infinite realities. So this person, D, I bet she visualized, she affirmed, she's seen it every day. Hence, it became her physical reality, and she won $10,000. And you can do it all the time. You can whatever you want to do. It's the same principle of how this works. In simplistic terms, the universe is your imagination. Without you here, nothing can come into existence. Yes, he said it. Yes, exactly what I did, right, D? That's exactly what you do. And then listen, you can do this for anything else. You can do this for like a house, or whatever you want. You don't have to do it for the lottery. You can do it for anything else you want. Because remember, the field doesn't care. The field has no limitation. The field is infinite. In physics, it's called unified field theory. Consciousness is what we call it. Religion will call it God, but it exists in this field. So if you know that, then you can do this stuff. Now, I bet you what else she did. She visualized this stuff, but I could tell you what else you did. You didn't get attached to it. You did it for fun, as if it was fun. When you do it that way, now the field understands that you are one with the thing you want. And if you're one with the thing you want, you must experience the thing, because you're not creating any resistance, which comes from the subconscious. See, the field is going to always give you what you want. Okay? It's your subconscious that can mess you up. Why does the subconscious mess you up? Well, the subconscious has two things going on. It has the ego talking to it. It takes orders from the conscious mind, but it also takes orders from the field. So if your conscious mind is saying one thing and the field is saying another, your subconscious is going to get confused. And that's what we call resistance. That's delay of your manifestation. But eventually your subconscious will obey the field, because the field is where it was created from. See how it works? That's physics. That's stuff that you need to know to how this stuff works. Most people think their lives are a physical thing. Majority of people think when they get up in the morning, their life is governed by someone else, that they have no control, that they're fated by their job, or that they have no hope. They have the same, this is the cards you were dealt. This is how people live their life, because no one have the knowledge to teach them, to show them that there is no reality. It's mentality. It's your mind that creates all the things you're experiencing, and this is not taught to people. Mark, are vampires real? In some universe, they're real. In this universe, I'm not sure. But in the multiverse, they are real. Every possible outcome or imagination exists somewhere. If it's not here, it's in the multiverse. Again, that is how the field works. Remember now, the field is infinite, people. If the field is infinite, there's infinite outcomes happening. This is not me. This is what science is saying. I'm just relaying it to you in an understandable, easy way for you to understand it. Do you listen to any subconscious programming when you sleep? Yes, I have always. Every night I go to sleep, I'm always programming my brain, and you should do it too. Your brain, think about this. This will help you. Your brain, okay, I'll put an easy way for you guys to understand this, okay. About 20% of your brain power is used. Okay, when you eat and you're digesting, 20% of that your brain uses for energy. So your brain takes quite a lot of stuff up during your day, right? So your brain's always processing. So it's when you go to sleep at night, the brain has its own what's called lymphatic system in the back of your brain that actually sends fluid at night, and it cleans out all toxins and it releases it. That's how your brain cleans. So you got to retune your brain. So think about this. If you go to sleep every night and there's nothing you're doing to tune up your brain, a lot of the junk in your brain is going to stay and it's going to build up all the time. So every day you go out now, you're getting all these negative, you're feeling down, you're feeling black, you're just into this groove. Okay, now imagine now you found out the discovery that, wow, there's this thing called subliminals. They're binaural beats. They're neuro-linguistic programming. They've been around for over 30, 40 years now. And you can just go to bed and sleep, and they reprogram your brain. That's all you got to do. And you choose one, you put your earphones on, and there's ones you don't need earphones, you turn the volume down, and it goes to the subconscious.